Let me show you how to create a production-ready t-shirt graphic in under 3 minutes. So I'm logged into my GraphicsFlow account. I've selected Design Ideas. I can either select a category or a style. In this case, I'm going to type in the keyword auto. So I'm looking for automotive-related graphics. Now, the graphic that I really like is this one right here. We're going to select on that one. I'm going to click on Customize, and I'm going to enter the stock art customizer in GraphicsFlow. So the first step would be localizing the text. And in this particular graphic, there is a multi-layer text effect. So where it says garage here, I'm going to change that to Premiere, hit enter. I'll do the same thing for the second text. I'm going to just use copy and paste to do that one. Where it says custom classics, I'm going to change that to welding, hit enter. Same thing for the second layer. And then repair and parts, I'm going to change that to service. I'm going to change the date to 1966, and I've got all the text changed. The next step would be swapping out the clip art. So we have the wrench there, and I'm going to click on Replace Clip Art right here. I'm going to type in a keyword, welding, and I'm going to try these crossed welding torches here, see what they look like. Not crazy about those, but let's try these right here. Those look pretty great, so I'm going to click on Apply. And one little trick, I can consolidate the colors in the clip art with the template just by editing the clip art. So I'm going to click on this color right here. This is a color that's already in the design. I'll click on that, and I've just consolidated those colors. So when I'm ready to go back and do the final coloration, I'm just going to click on View All Layers. And here's all the colors that are used in the graphic. I'm going to select the black right here. I'm going to change that to navy blue. Click on Apply. I'm going to select the red and change it to this teal color. Click on Apply. I'm going to take the burgundy right here, and I'm going to change this to one of the grays. Apply, and I've got it recolored. The last step would be saving the design, so I'm going to click on Save. I'm going to save it in my GraphicsFlow account, so I'm going to go to My Art. I'm going to scroll down and go to the Premiere Welding folder that I created earlier. I'm going to click on Save Design. And the only thing left to do is just download a production file. I can download a PNG file, a PDF file that I can edit in any vector graphics program, including Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or Affinity Designer, or a native CDR file that I can edit in CorelDRAW. And that's it. That's how quickly and easily I can create a production-ready vector file using the stock art customizer in GraphicsFlow.